Hi, I'm Payal Talwar and I'm an NLP life and performance coach. So today I'm going to be talking about NLP relief process. This is also known as a counter example process. What we do in an NLP relief process is we train the immune system or re-educate the immune system to have a different response to the allergen. Now, when we talk about the allergen, it is a mistake on the part of the immune system. Let's take an example. Some people are allergic to milk. Now, milk by itself is not a harmful substance because a lot of other people are not having any reaction to milk. So, it is the person who's allergic to milk whose immune system has taken milk to be a potentially harmful substance and is reacting against it. So it recognizes milk as something harmful, which is a mistake. And due to this mistake, it has learned to respond in a certain way by secreting histamines, which are again acting on the body cells. So all that we have to do is retrain the immune system to react as if it would react to, let's say, water or any other liquid which is not an allergen. So it's all about retraining, re-educating the immune system. Also, allergic reactions often have an emotional trigger. If a person has gone through something which is a big change or a transition in life where that person was in a resourceless state, that can act as a trigger. So what the NLP practitioner does is takes the person back to that time where the person was not in the most resourceful state, when the allergy started to develop. And at this point, the resources the person needed are provided. And once the person gets the resources, person learns to handle it in a more useful manner. So then any future interaction with the allergen has the reference of this. So any future interaction gets the reference of the resourceful state and the person is able to beat the allergy. What is so good about the NLP relief process is that it is non-invasive, drug-free, with no side effects. So the worst that can happen is that nothing changes. And the best that can happen is you get a relief from your allergy. So think about it.